Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor Onoja, a lifestyle and hairstylist beauty YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. I just want to thank you guys for the love gotten on my last video. So I have gotten some questions and I tried to answer them in the comment section, but I was like, you know what? Since I'm making another, I'm just going to film a video just basically answering the questions addressed in the last video that I feel like I didn't really address. So the look I'm going for this particular full locks is, you know, this blonde highlight where it's like chocolate brown, honey blonde, like just a mixture of that. So what I did was that I didn't realize I was going to film it, so I already kind of did some parts offline, but I'm just going to explain. So I had some old bundles and I got also this new bundle. So because of the look I'm going for, I used it to do highlights. So to get this part that is like blonde, I put the bleach on the bundle on its own. Like I selected parts of the bundle to put just bleach and developer, like mixing it. I put it like on like strands and stuff. Then once it was ready, like after 30 minutes, it became like brown like this. I rinsed it off. Then I now did a bleach bath for all the bundles. So because this one was already brown, the bleach and this other one was still black. The bleach bath turns the brown one to a blonde color, like it turns it this light, while it now turns the black one to this color, creating a highlight. So for some questions I got asked in the previous video were like, how many bundles did I use? So this now is 3 bundles. I just bought like a packet with bought like human hair. This was even the closure I got. So this is like one. Then I got my old hairs and I just did a bleach bath for it. So I like the color pattern for this one. So I want to use this one, which is chocolate brown, for the coily ends of the human hair, like the down part, while I'm going to use this highlight one for the actual body of the human hair. So the only difference between this one and the one I did is that this time around, I'm trying to do them on new locks to cut my time. So this new lock now is the 3-tone new lock that goes from black to dark brown to light brown. So yeah, that's basically what I'm using. Then I'm going to wrap around the human hair with it. So for the equipment, it's still the same thing. We need scissors, we need white tube comb. This bristle brush is extremely important, very super duper important, because this is what you use to tussle this thing to give it a really like frizzly look. Then we need our latch hook and we need a steel comb just because. So yeah, these are also old bundles that I'm just going to use to wrap, because like the more the merrier. So like, and for the bleach bath, there are videos on YouTube teaching you how to do a bleach bath. So it's just basically bleach and developer. You putting it in a bowl of warm to hot water, then you leave it in for 30 minutes. You keep monitoring it till it gets to like the chocolate level that you want. And I like it because I feel like when I'm done, it really match my, teeny weeny apparel. So yes, I think that was basically most of the questions I got. How many bundles, materials, and everything. So I will still go through the comment section and I will answer the rest of the questions that I noticed pop up popularly during over voiceover. So thank you very much for everything. Yeah, I'll see you at the end of the video. Bye.